Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to add a profile picture on Snapchat. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store, whichever you of course have, and download the Snapchat application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Snapchat if you haven't already done that. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see here, we have in the bottom, we have everything about your stories and friends. In the bottom right corner, we have your spotlights where you can check out some videos. And here we have the camera where you can take snaps, and the location and chat are the other options. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and add a profile picture on Snapchat. So first of all, what you need to do as the first thing is to open the Snapchat app on your mobile device, as I already told you in the start of the video. Then tap on your profile icon, which is here on this screen or on every screen, as you can see in the top left corner. Then scroll down and select My Public Profile. And after selecting My Public Profile, tap on Edit Profile. Now just tap on your phone profile picture and select a photo from your camera roll. When you have selected a photo, tap Save Changes at the very bottom. Alternatively, you can change your profile picture to a Bitmoji by tapping on your snap code and scrolling down. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I already told you, I hope that you found this video informative. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, bye guys.